Hello Lit Geeks! Good day! In this video, I'm going to explain to you the types of characters according to role. So basically, there are just a few types of characters according to role. First and foremost, we have the protagonist. This is the main character or the focus, the focal point of the story. The second type of character, according to role, is the antagonist or the main opposer of the main character or the protagonist. Another type of character, according to role, is the supporting character or characters. So the supporting characters are always there by the side of the either the protagonist or the antagonist. So supporting characters can either be on the side of the protagonist or the antagonist. There is also what we call minor character or characters of more than one. What does minor mean? Meaning not the main character, not the major role. Okay? Let me give you a very good example of the following types of character according to role. Um, For example, Harry Potter in the Harry Potter novel series, he is the protagonist or the main character. And of course, his main antagonist or main opposer is Lord Voldemort, right? As for supporting characters, Harry Potter has two supporting characters. They are Hermione and Ron. As for the antagonists, supporting characters, we can say that Lucius Malfoy and Draco Malfoy are supporting characters to Lord Voldemort. So there, I hope it's clear to you now the different types of characters according to role. Enjoy learning literature. Bye!